There comes a moment when the healer within you begins to rise. A moment when your hands feel called, your spirit feels awakened, and your soul whispers, "It is time." You are invited to become a practitioner of Ankh-Ka-Sheta, Egyptian goddess healing codes, a sacred energy medicine modality rooted in ancient Egyptian wisdom, divine feminine power, and goddess-led healing intelligence. Ankh-Ka-Sheta, the life, the spirit, the mystery. Ankh-Ka-Sheta, the ancient path your soul already knows. This is more than a course. This is initiation. You will learn to work with sacred symbols, energy transmissions, anointing oils, crystals, sound, ritual, and the healing codes of the temple. For the practitioner ready to go deeper, for the healer ready to expand, for the woman who knows she was born for sacred work. Ankh-Ka-Sheta, Egyptian goddess healing codes. Ankh-Ka-Sheta, the temple is calling you. Enrollment is now open. Become a certified Ankh-Ka-Sheta practitioner. The codes have awakened, and your soul already knows the way.